Okay, thanks for coming and welcome to my channel. This is a short tutorial if you're looking for a solution for errors like in my screen the target class blah 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 doesn't exist. Maybe this tutorial is a solution that could solve your Laravel problem. So here my normal Laravel project and I'm trying to run it. Run PHP artisan serve. Okay, it's run normally. Then we go to the browser directly from here. Okay, this is the error like before. Okay, why did this happen? Well, we don't know that what exactly this problem or classes is missing from our project. It could be anywhere, but if we take a look the first error here, Illuminate container, so it must be this file. Okay, this file including somewhere, and I found it from, if we go back to the project, so I'm looking for apps http kernel. This is the class including, it's the same class here, and I'm trying to comment this line, save, back to browser, done, it's solved. But if we go to the Laravel GitHub here, I including in the comment that this GitHub links. So if we go to the same path like apps and http and sorry, I got slow network, so undefined.php is set by default. So it's not a good idea comment this line. Maybe it will cause error in the future, so we need this class back uncomment. Okay, we save again, and I'm trying to google that I am trying to google this class, and it's come from this package, Fruitcake Laravel Cors. I including this package in the link, and we need install this package to our project or to our Laravel. So we back and I'm looking for the installation here, this the installation. Okay, we go to the terminal, paste command, enter, it's trying to installation. We back to our browser again, to the Laravel project. So it's done, it's worked well. So maybe it's one of the solution if you found the error like this. Okay, thanks.